Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Prevost Millennium Luxury Motorhome, where innovation meets indulgence on wheels. Let's take a closer look at what makes this high-end coach a true masterpiece for road travel. From the outside, the Prevost Millennium boasts sleek, aerodynamic lines paired with custom paintwork and polished chrome detailing. Built on the Prevost H345 chassis, it offers unmatched structural integrity and a ride so smooth, you'll forget you're even moving. Step inside, and you're greeted with a handcrafted interior that rivals five-star hotel suites. Premium Italian leather furniture, radiant heated floors, backlit quartz countertops, and a seamless tech suite, all integrated with voice control and touchscreen panels, set the tone for luxury living. In the galley, you'll find a full residential kitchen, including a dishwasher, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a smart fridge with built-in cameras and water purification. Entertainment is next level, with hidden 4K OLED TVs, a state-of-the-art sound system, and satellite connectivity that keeps you online wherever you roam. The Master Suite features a king-size adjustable bed, underbed storage, custom closets, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower, dual vanities, and even a heated towel rack. With advanced climate control, lithium-ion battery systems, and solar panel support, the 2025 Millennium is built for off-grid comfort without compromise. Safety systems include 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alerts, ensuring peace of mind wherever the road takes you. That's a quick look at the 2025 Prevost Millennium, engineered for the elite traveler who demands more from the journey. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.